Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to create Incredibox Sprunki on mobile. Basically, this is the same process for iOS and Android. Alright? So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your power saving mode is going to be turned off. That goes for iOS also and for Android. Now, first things first, go to Safari or Google Chrome if you have on your Android. And basically click on this website. It names on Tweak. So for this one, I can already type in Sprunky and this is what we're looking for. This specific application right there, simply click on install and you'll be good to go. Alright? Also, there are other apps here. For example, let me just type in here again, that would be Auntie. I think I mistyped there. Let me just remove this one, click on search, and as you can see right there are a lot of applications. Even Marvel contests are gonna be here, SpongeBob Adventures, and so on and so forth. Also, it has 40,000 users, so this is a great application. Basically, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.